Hi there. The sales team members as a followers Odoo app auto adds your sales team to the sales order as a follower so everyone stays updated and in sync. Let's check it out. After installing this module, let's get into the sales where under the configuration you can see the sales team. Now in this I have created a sales team for the sales as sales. Now in this we can add a member by clicking on the add option, and over here you can see a member. Just I am adding those members into the sales team. Now we have four members in the sales team. Now let's get into the quotation. Now let's create a new quotation where we need to add a customer, we need to add a product, some sample products just I'm adding. So after adding the products you can see there is a no followers yet. Now let's confirm where you can see the followers will be added over here automatically based on the one which we have selected, like based on the sales team that we have selected over here. Okay, now based on the sales team it will fetch all the members to the as a followers over here. Now let's give an access rights for those members. For that we need to get into the user. Let's get into the demo where we have an access rights named sales team access. So we need to give this access to the user to see their own sales team related records. Now let's log in as a demo user to see how it works. Now we are in the demo user. Let's get into the sales, and where you can see all the quotations in which they have an access, which they are in the sales team, so they have an access to see only sales related records alone. So where you can see in sales, you can see over here it will be related to the sales and they have an access to get into the record which they have an access. Now let's log in as another user, John. Now we are in a John user. Let's get into the sales. Let's remove the filter over here where you can see and sales team related records alone for this particular user. This is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.